Congratulations, you were one of the crew. Now you're captain of the crew, and that is murky because now you are the leader, if you will, the supervisor, the manager, the director of the business, but also of your friends, and it is extremely awkward. They don't believe that you are a leader. They are testing your boundaries, and above all else, just because you were friends before does not necessarily mean that they respect you as a leader now. I'm going to give you 3 tips that you can use, 3 practical tips right now, starting tomorrow, or even today, depending on what time it is where you are. 3 tips that's going to help you to becoming the leader that you need to be, and also set clear-cut boundaries so that they don't cross them, or if they do cross them, you've dotted your I's and crossed your T's. Get your pen and paper and let's go. The very first thing you're going to do is set a team meeting every single week. You're going to have an agenda for that team meeting, and this team meeting is not a gripe session. This is constructive feedback for the entire team, and this goes both ways, meaning you can provide insight and information. They in turn will provide insight and information to you as a leader so that you can continue to take care of the team. So that's number 1. First and foremost, you should have a weekly team meeting and make sure that meeting has an agenda. If it does not have an agenda, you will be all over the place. Do not set the meeting for any longer than 30 to 45 minutes. If it becomes a gripe session and you notice that one person is being negative, which will impact everybody else on the team, that is something that you have in your one-on-one coachings with that person. You got it? So that's number 1. Group team meeting to set the boundaries, set the standards, offer feedback, and feedback goes both ways. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, understand and utilize business standard operating procedures, which are SOPs. Why is this so important? Because SOPs provide the guidelines for the business. Why do you need that? Because you went from being homeboys or homegirls with your peers to now being a leader. That friend who's testing your authority will try, and I mean they will try, to bend the rules. Your number 1 goal as a leader is to create boundaries and help them to understand the guidelines, the rules. And there are not any exceptions because you two used to hang out at the local bar. You got it? So, number 2, understand and utilize SOPs. You have to become familiar with them, and you have to use them because somebody's going to continue to test you in your leadership. Oh, by the way, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Denise Sheldon. I am the Leadership Alchemist. My number 1 goal is to help emerging leaders and those already in the business as leaders, help them to continue in their leadership journey, help them to know and understand how to navigate the corporate world. And last but not least, my number 1 favorite thing is to enjoy the leadership journey. Why not? You have to know how to navigate corporate world in order to enjoy it. And since you don't know how to navigate it, you're having a hard time. Have no fear. I'm here to help. You can catch me here at DeniseSheldon.net. Oh, and by the way, go there and download your free May newsletter and comment leader if you want more help. Now, here's number 3. You still got your pen and paper? Number 3, document key discussions, whether they're one-on-one or group coachings, as I stated before, team meetings. Document it. Why are we documenting? Because when you document, that means you have a receipt. And that receipt provides proof of what you discussed. If there is an issue or a challenge of what was discussed, then someone will respond back. Either you'll catch it in the one-on-one with that particular person, or it will be discussed in the group meeting. And here's the beauty of it. Leverage your team's strengths. Have someone who's great or fantastic at communication that's on the team, have them take notes. When they take the notes, because they're going to want responsibility anyway, have them take the notes. When they take the notes, they're sending them to you. If anything is left out, guess what? You get to update it, and then guess what? It goes to the entire team. Always document. That is your receipt. All right, so I just gave you 3 pointers to help your team, to help them to know and understand what the boundaries are, and to help them to know and understand that you're now in leadership, and the things that you used to do as one of the members of the crew, you're no longer doing. Like, comment, and follow, and pass this along to someone else who needs help, and DM me leader if you need more assistance with being a leader of the business. Like, comment, and follow for more.